How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center on your iOS devices. So before starting the video, I would like to make this clear that I don't want to waste a single second of your life. So I'm making this video to stay away from all the scammers which are making false information videos on the internet. So you can only change the default email ID on your play games. So when I open these play games, you click these three dots, settings, and here when you scroll down, you will find this option called change account for games. So you can only change this default email ID on your Google Play Games, but unfortunately you cannot transfer your data from Play Games Android to your Game Center iOS because this is a Android application. Game Center is not an Android, it's iOS. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care.